and welcome to this video tutorial. I am Nuria. There are 3 ways of applying style to your web page. The first is an external style sheet where you create the CSS style separately as an external file and provide a link within the header. The second type is using an internal style sheet. The internal style sheet requires you creating the CSS code within the HTML page itself. The third type is called an inline style. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use an inline style to style your web page. Let's dive in. An inline style is created within the enclosed tag itself. So here, for example, to style my paragraph, I write style. Then this will create the two squares, the quotes. Within this quote, I will write the style, whatever style I want to apply. Let's, for example, start with coloring. Color, I want the color to be red. Also want the background color to be maroon. Next, as you can see, each style is separated with semicolon. Then you can include the next one. Let's apply some border. To apply border, I will write 1px solid black. Next, I want to control the width of this paragraph. I don't want it to control the whole, so I will write width. Let's be 200 pixels. Then I want to apply some style to my image here. To apply a style to the image, again we do the same thing right here, style, and then the style is going to be background color. I will apply. Let's apply background color of white. Then next I will show you how you can apply a border radius. Border radius applies circle or round shape around the image corners. Let's do that. So border radius. The border radius, I will set it to 50%. This will make the image to have a circular shape. Then next I want to show you how we can apply padding also here, which is going to be 20 pixels. If you want to know what padding is in previous tutorial, check the previous video. Okay, let's run this web page and see what it looks like. Also, before we go to running this, I want to add the width, and I want to set the width to 300 pixels and then the height to be 250 pixels. Now let's run this and see how it works. Okay, so this is our web page after applying CSS style, internal CSS, inline CSS style. Now I want to show you one more thing, that when you have an inline style, or when you have an internal style or an external style sheet, an inline style, the one that will take precedence is the inline style. Let me show you with an example here. I am applying inline style here, style. This is an internal style. So within this internal style, I want to apply for the paragraph, let's say color to be green. Now if I run this code, nothing will change because precedence will be taken by the inline style. Nothing has changed. If I removed the inline style, now you can see the effect, what will happen. Let's remove the inline style from the paragraph and see what happens. Clear this one and then run the program again. Now you can see the paragraph color has been set to green. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.